Welcome to Port Isaac, a picturesque fishing village on the rugged north coast of Cornwall. From its humble beginnings as a working harbour to its modern-day fame on screen, this village has stories carved into every winding street. Port Isaac's history stretches back centuries. During the Middle Ages, this was a bustling port, exporting slate, coal, and pottery. Its natural harbour, though small, gave protection from the fierce Atlantic waves. The narrow winding streets, many too small for cars, have hardly changed in hundreds of years. These drangways, as locals call them, give the village its timeless character. Fishing was once the lifeblood of Port Isaac. Pilchards, crabs and lobsters filled the baskets of generations of fishermen here. Today, the village still has a small but proud fishing community, supplying some of the finest seafood in Cornwall. Beyond its working past, Port Isaac is now world famous thanks to television. The hit series Doc Martin, starring Martin Clunes, transformed the village into the fictional Port Wen. Visitors from across the globe now come to walk the same streets and see the doctor's house above the harbour. But Port Isaac is also a village of music. The world-renowned singing group, Fisherman's Friends, began performing right here on the harbour. Their sea shanties, inspired by the ocean and life on the waves, echo the traditions of Cornwall's maritime past. And surrounding the village, the Southwest Coast Path offers some of the most breathtaking views in England. Sheer cliffs, hidden coves, and rolling waves make every step a reminder of nature's power and beauty. Legends tell of smugglers once using these twisting lanes and hidden coves to conceal their cargo. Though today the village is peaceful, its past whispers through every stone and tide. From its roots as a working fishing village to its fame on screen and in song, Port Isaac remains one of Cornwall's true treasures, a place where history, tradition, and natural beauty meet. Thank you for joining me here in Port Isaac. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more historic places with me here on Drone Therapy, where history meets the air.